another vlog. So what I'm gonna do tonight is what's inside my bag. Semi-small, semi-large. It's a medium-sized bag for may mga kwentang gamit. So I don't have to annoy people. I don't have to bug them with pakalagay naman to, pakalagay naman yan, pakalagay naman to. That's me. Anyway,
I don't use this every day, so I don't use my medium-sized bags every day. Yung mga bags na nakasya yung phone and yung wallet na yung ginamit ko. It's just that I just got back from
San Diego, nag-weekend si ate mo girl. Nagmaganda ng konti, nirampa yung hair sa San Diego, umuwi ng San Diego. So, yeah, my bag has 2 zippers, yung mga essentials and yung mga importante. So, kung zipper ka ng bag ko, ano ka? Yung essentials or yung importante? I think it's the same. I think that's the same. I guess so. So, yung importante, sana importante din ako sa kanya. Okay, so let's start. Let's start off with the most important piece inside my bag is my mask, surgical mask. I have 2 individually wrapped surgical masks inside my bag. So I don't usually carry this inside my bag. It's just that, like what I said, I just got back from San Diego, so I gotta carry mask with me. So every time you guys go anywhere, even the grocery store or just whenever, this is an essential, diba? Like everywhere you go, you see people wearing masks. So eto, I got 2 masks. Saka ayoko ring mamburaot ng mask. That's why I carry mask. So I got sweets. Got that. Kapag wala na akong energy, like I feel like my energy is deteriorating from talking and nagging and being angry or throwing a tantrum. So I eat it away. Especially when it's traffic. Like I hate the traffic. So especially when it's traffic, it keeps you awake also. Next is a pouch. Inside my pouch is here, a sneak peek. So let's start off with the suklay. So I got this from, I think I got it from Target. The mini suklay. Sabi nila pang manika. But yan, pang-ayos ng bangs, pang-ayos para papaganda ka sa kanya pag nagpapagas siya. Yung mga para touch ka nun. Next, napkins, baka tatnan sa daan.
Mukhang tayo'y inabutan sa gitna ng daan.
An oil control film right there. There, oil control film. So, ganon, blot ka sa face. Pag feeling mo oily ka na, yung pwede ka na magluto ng mantika sa face mo. You use this para pag nag-kiss siya, diba? Fresh. Ganon. Next.
my pang-ayos, my pang-retouch. Yeah, this is my pang-retouch kit right here. Kasi, hindi naman natin pwede dalhin yung Go makeup bag, which is, right there, that's my makeup bag. Hindi ko pa pwede dalhin around, tapos, inside the car, kasi it's huge, at saka sobrang
Nakakatamad mag-carry. So, what I carry is yung mga minor lang na nag-retouch, like the lipsticks. After mo kumain, after mo uminom, after mo whatever you're gonna do na masisira yung lipstick mo. So, yeah, I got this. 3 shades. 3 shades kasi iba-iba yung mood ko. So, pagka feeling ko wholesome, this one. Medyo pinkish nude. Pagka eto, yung feeling mo, pag pinagalitan ka, yung behave ka lang, yung okay. Eto yon. This works. Bait mo dyan. Pagka gusto mo naman medyo palapan, the red one, this one. Mga Anastasia Steele. 50 Shades. Charing! So, yeah. Next is a lip scrub. Oh, it's open. Oh, it's not. So, a lip scrub. Yeah, I used this before I put my lip balm. My favorite lip balm, Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm. So, before I put this, I use this. Kasi pagka nagda-dry na yung skin ng labi mo, pag namimiss yan na yung labi nung isa. Just kidding. So, yeah. So, if it's dry, it is para matanggal. And then, saka ka magla-lip balm. And then, the lipstick. That's how I do it. Next is my favorite thing inside this pouch is my Vicks inhaler. So, whenever I feel like nasusuka ako, naduduwal, nahihilo, pagka may nararamdaman, tapos, hindi niya nare-reciprocate sa akin. Charing! Just kidding. So,
Kapag nahihilo ako, nasusuka ako, or naduduwal, yung nasobrahan ka, or acid, or whatever is going on with you, I use this. Ganun. And then, it helps me. It helps me. Lalo na kapag
yun nga, nasusuka ako. This helps. Next, wala nang laman yung first. Next is the second zipper, yung mga importante. Let's start off with my Ralph Lauren Romance perfume. I just got this nung Friday, nung umalis ako papunta ng San Diego. Tapos ngayon, ito na yung bawas. Bilis. Ang bilis. Tapos, my shades. Ito yung nalagyan ko ng shades and ng eyeglasses. So,
this one's my eyeglasses, my sunglasses. Feeling ko ito lang yung bagay sa akin. I got different types of sunglasses na square ganun. But ito, feeling ko, this is the only glasses that, the sunglasses that fits me kasi below right there.
that's why I'm bilog. And then my prescription glasses.
I use this. This is anti-glare. Like, whenever you're on the computer or iPad or laptop or your phone for too long, you need those kinds of glasses. But it helps protect your eyes na din. Like, additional protection na din.
So, ginagamit ko lang siya pag nagda-drive ako. Kasi, pag madilim. Ayun, pag madilim. Tsaka pagka gusto kong linawin kung ano ba talaga ka. Malabo away ka na. Okay, suot tayo. Okay. Ano ba tayo? Char! Yan.
Mataas kasi yung grado niya, so I don't usually wear it. But I bring it kasi pagka pupunta ako doon, pinagda-drive naman niya ako. Like, you wanna drive? Yeah, I wanna drive. So, yan. I use that.
Next, I got these babies right here. I carry this with me kahit saan. So, my med...
This is my medicine. This is a pill cutter. Yung pain meds ko na malaki na pwede kong i-half, I use this one. Like, na-arcok siya. I use this one. Nalala ko kasi talaga. Pero since she doesn't use the pill cutter anymore, I borrowed it from her para hindi buo ko iniinom yung gamot. Mas malaking dose. Next is this is also pain meds. So,
all the pain meds in the world and hindi pa rin nawala yung sakit. Just kidding. Ano yun? Yeah. Charot lang, hindi po ako masaya po ako. And then this one is hydroxychloroquine. Right there. This is my maintenance medicine. This is also used for... Okay, this is used for lupus, for RA, and also used now for malaria. So, lastly, ano laman yung bag ko? Bakit parang ang bigat? Oh, Omar. So, let's do this first. So, napansin nyo guys, madami akong borloloy. Like, I got 2 bracelets right there. And then a ponytail, of course. I got my watch right there. Tapos my sing-sings right there. And then a necklace, right? So, like, whenever I feel like masyadong mataas yung kwintas or it doesn't match the damit, I carry this all the time. This is my everyday kwintas. This one. Lastly, I got my wallet right there. Ito. Pinaka-importanteng bagay. Pero mas importante pa din siya. Yung kapakanan niya, yung Char!
yeah. So, yeah. My wallet is from Victoria's Secret. Cheap lang to. Walang walang mamahalin na wallet. So, mga nagsasabing mahal po yung mga gamit ko, hindi po yung totoo. Wala po. So, yeah, my wallet has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. It has 3 credit cards and 2 debit cards. The 3 cards are from my parents. Yeah, those are my parents' cards.
And then my insurance and then some cash right there. Ayan. Tapos, that's it. That's what's inside my bag. Wala na, natapos na. My Aldo bag right there. That's what's inside my bag. Madami naman siyang nalalaman. And syempre, lastly, my cell phone. My cell phone na walang case. Because I removed the case. Because I was gonna change the photo at the back. Yeah, the photo right there. Come see. that's what's inside K. Marie's bag. Mga walang kwenta. So, bye!